I thought that I could change the legal industry one rainmaker at a time. I figured if every rainmaker was happy, then the people on his or her team would be happier. The people on his or her floor at the office would be happier. All the people they interacted with. I can't do it fast enough. There are too many unhappy lawyers out there. So we created the 6 pillars to becoming a happy rainmaker so that we could have resources that people could find at 4 in the morning when they reach a breaking point or in between client calls or whatever it is. The whole idea is that point one can make a difference. We know that lawyers are billing in 6 minute increments, and we're not asking them to watch 3 hour videos. We're asking them to get their information in snippets and to look at the things that make sense for them. The 6 pillars are care for yourself. You have to be alive to be a good lawyer, to be a happy rainmaker. In order to be a really good lawyer, you have to get a little bit of sleep, a little bit of healthy food, a little bit of movement, or else you're not really at the top of your game anyway.